Hello and welcome to week 8. The topic that we'll be starting today is evaluation of event performance. This is Professor Sheba Hamid from Aligarh Muslim University. Introduction. Being an event planner and organizing events is not an easy job. It takes a lot of patience, focus, courage, determination, and other characteristics to successfully provide attendees satisfaction and a fantastic experience to the business participants. More often, a new event organization thinks that the event is over once their last guest leaves. It is too good to be accurate, but things go the other way round. In addition, ticket sales, registration numbers, and a number of attendees is not an indicator of what makes the event successful. To successfully find out the outcome of the event, it is crucial to do an event evaluation at every stage. If specific aims and objectives were set at the outset of the planning process, then evaluation will also seek to establish whether those targets have been met, and if not, then why. The other purpose of evaluation is a reporting mechanism to gather data to allow feedback to different stakeholders involved in the event relative to their interests. For example, the local council and retailers association may be interested in the number of people who attended the event and where they came from. That is, the proportion from the local community and those from further afield. One key issue to remember is that evaluation is not something which happens at the end of the event. It must be incorporated into the planning of the event. So resources are allocated, the correct questions are asked, and data collected. Key questions you should ask include what data is needed, example, visitor numbers, financial data, satisfaction, motivations, etc. Related to the event's objectives, what are the key performance indicators? How, when, and by whom is the data to be gathered? Example, observation, surveys, questionnaires, before, during, or after. How is it to be analyzed? Example, by themes or issues or statistical analysis. What format will be used in the final reporting? For example, debriefing meetings or a final report covering all areas. You also need to consider who will be interested in the event and its outcomes. What is event evaluation? Event evaluation is the process of measuring how an event turned out. This not only includes the event day itself, but the entire process of planning leading up to that event as well as after. It involves recognizing all of your event successes as well as what areas you could improve in while measuring how closely you hit your event goals. Event evaluation can include things like sending out post-event surveys and checking the analytics of your event. Making note of all these aspects can only help improve the chances of your next event being even more successful. Why is event evaluation important? Event evaluation is important for a number of reasons and is something every business that holds any type of event should be involved in their event process. Improve on future events. One of the most important reasons why any business should evaluate the entirety of their previous event is to improve their next event. Measuring where one area of your event could have been better will give you insight into what to focus on during your next event preparation. This leads to keeping both your company and attendees happy as you improve the experience for everyone involved for events to come. Event evaluation stands as a pivotal tool for organizations looking to enhance the quality and effectiveness of their future events. This section delves into various aspects of the evaluation process that contribute to continuous improvement. Budgetary analysis, unraveling financial dynamics. Event budgets play a crucial role in determining the overall success of an event. Evaluating past events enables businesses to dissect their financial decisions, identifying both strengths and weaknesses in budget allocation. Understanding the financial dynamics allows organizations to optimize cost efficiency and allocate resources strategically for future events. This subheading explores the intricacies of budget analysis, offering insights into creating a roadmap for refining financial strategies. Logistical examination, enhancing operational efficiency. Beyond financial considerations, logistics play a pivotal role in the success of any event. A post-event logistics review allows businesses to explore areas such as vendor management, timeline adherence, and overall attendee experience. By evaluating these operational aspects, organizations can refine workflows, ensuring seamless execution in future events. Additionally, this section delves into the evaluation of technology integration, emphasizing the importance of assessing the effectiveness of event technologies for a tech-savvy approach in upcoming events. Strategic marketing evolution, enhancing outreach and engagement. Effective marketing is essential for driving attendance and engagements at events. Analyzing marketing campaigns goes beyond quantitative metrics, exploring the qualitative aspects that contribute to a compelling narrative. This section advocates for a holistic approach to marketing evaluation, considering target audience insights and refining post-event surveys. Crafting effective survey instruments and interpreting qualitative feedback become crucial tools for extracting actionable insights, leading to targeted improvements in future events. Cultivating stakeholder relationships, strengthening partnerships for success. Collaboration with vendors and sponsors is a cornerstone of event success. Post-event debriefing sessions with partners foster open communication and alignment of goals for future collaborations. Building enduring relationships with vendors and sponsors is equally important, and this section explores strategies for long-term partnership development. Internally, team debriefing sessions are advocated for, creating a space for open discussions on what worked well and areas for improvement. The identification of skill gaps within the team serves as a diagnostic tool for investing in continuous improvement and ensuring the team is equipped for evolving event landscapes. Helps know where your brand stands. By completing certain objectives involved in the event evaluation process, like post-event surveys, you can firsthand see how attendees felt about the event and, in turn, your brand. Your event is a direct reflection of your company. So, by knowing how attendees felt about the event, you will know exactly how they feel about your brand as the host. There are a number of informative questions you can ask attendees in your post survey that will give you answers to how they feel about your brand as a whole from hosting the event. An event is not just a gathering. It is a reflection of the hosting company's brand. Understanding how attendees perceive the event directly correlates to the brand's standing. This section explores the various dimensions of brand evaluation through event feedback and post-event surveys. Analyzing marketing campaigns beyond quantitative metrics. Metrics alone do not tell the complete story of marketing success. This subheading advocates for moving beyond quantitative metrics, such as click-through rates and impressions, to delve into the qualitative aspects of marketing campaigns. Understanding the narrative behind the numbers enables strategic evolution and contributes to a more nuanced understanding of brand perception. Post-event survey, refinement, crafting effective survey instruments. Surveys serve as a direct line to attendee sentiments. This subsection explores the art of crafting effective survey instruments, discussing question framing, survey distribution methods, incentivization, and the importance of anonymity. A well-designed survey becomes a potent tool for extracting nuanced insights, providing valuable information on how attendees perceive the brand as a whole from hosting the event. Social media listening, harnessing online conversations. Beyond structured surveys, social media provides an unfiltered platform for attendees to express their opinions. This subheading emphasizes the significance of social media listening tools to track online conversations about the event. Analyzing social media mentions, comments, and sentiment provides real-time insights into brand perception, allowing for agile responses and proactive brand management. Competitor benchmarking, contextualizing brand positioning. Brand perception gains depth when contextualized against competitors. This section advocates for a comprehensive analysis of competitors' events and brand positioning. By benchmarking against industry peers, businesses can identify unique selling points, potential differentiators, and areas for improvement. This strategic approach contributes to a more holistic understanding of where the brand stands in the competitive landscape. Helps measuring your goals. Another important reason for undergoing the event evaluation process is to see how closely you hit your goals or not. Did you hit the number of ticket registrations you hoped for? Or did the team go a little outside of the event marketing budget during the promotional phase? All of these things you can find out by doing an in-depth event evaluation once the event is over. Goal setting is a fundamental aspect of event planning, and measuring the achievement of these goals is critical for gauging success. This section delves into the importance of goal measurement and how it contributes to the overall effectiveness of events. Quantitative metrics beyond the numbers. This subheading emphasizes that metrics alone do not provide a holistic understanding of goal achievement. Moving beyond the numbers involves a qualitative analysis of the goals set for an event. By exploring the qualitative aspects, organizations can gain insights into the impact and resonance of their events beyond statistical measurements. Impact on brand perception, linking goals to brand equity. Goals set for an event should align with broader brand objectives. This subsection explores how the achievement of specific goals directly impacts brand perception. Whether the goal has increased brand awareness, positive brand sentiment, or customer engagement, understanding the link between event goals and brand equity is crucial for strategic planning and long-term brand building. Attendee feedback loop, iterative goal refinement. Engaging attendees in an ongoing feedback loop contributes to iterative goal refinement. This subheading explores strategies for creating a continuous dialogue with attendees, gathering insights not only post-event but throughout the event life cycle. By integrating attendee feedback iteratively, organizations can adapt and refine goals in real time, ensuring that events remain aligned with evolving business objectives. Secondary benefits, Benefits for you, event planner. Accurate projection assessment. Enhancing planning precision post-event evaluation serves as a comprehensive tool for assessing the accuracy of projections made during the planning phase. This goes beyond mere attendance numbers, encompassing various facets such as attendee engagement, content resonance, and logistical efficiency. The insights derived provide a nuanced understanding of where projections aligned with reality and where adjustments are needed for future events. Tangible and intangible feedback, strategic insights for improvement. The feedback gathered through evaluation comprises both tangible and intangible elements. Tangible feedback includes measurable metrics like attendance numbers, revenue generated, and participant demographics. Intangible feedback delves into the qualitative aspects, gauging attendee satisfaction, engagement levels, and overall event experience. This dual feedback approach equips event planners with strategic insights for refining their approach in subsequent events. Justification for sponsors, strengthening partnerships. For current sponsors, post-event evaluation provides a robust justification for continued collaboration. The data and insights collected serve as evidence of the event's success, showcasing the tangible benefits derived by both the planner and the sponsor. From increased brand visibility to positive audience reception, the evaluation becomes a persuasive tool for sponsors, fostering trust and strengthening the foundation for future partnerships. Benefits for the sponsor. Return on investment measurement, ensuring investment viability. Sponsors invest in events with the expectation of a return on their investment. Event evaluation plays a pivotal role in measuring this ROI. By scrutinizing the impact on brand recognition, brand profile enhancement, and the delivery of event promises, sponsors can gauge the effectiveness of their investment. This data-driven approach enables sponsors to make informed decisions, ensuring that their participation in future events aligns with strategic objectives. Data for justifying further events, informed decision making. Sponsors often require compelling data to justify their participation in future events to internal stakeholders or higher management. Event evaluation provides the necessary data points to showcase the success of the sponsored event. Whether it's quantifiable metrics or qualitative insights into brand perception, the evaluation equips sponsors with a persuasive narrative, making the case for continued investment in event partnerships. Positive public relations, enhancing brand image. Beyond financial considerations, sponsors benefit from PR generated by successful events. Event evaluation captures the impact on public perception, media coverage, and overall brand image. Positive outcomes such as favorable media mentions and social media buzz contribute to an enhanced brand image. Sponsors can leverage these PR outcomes in their broader marketing and communication strategies, reaping long-term benefits from their event associations. Benefits for the guest attendee. Tailored guest experience. Meeting specific interests and needs. At the core of the event evaluation is the objective to create a better and more captivating guest experience. Attendees stand to benefit as event planners armed with evaluation insights, tailor future events to align with specific interests and needs. Whether it's refining content based on attendee feedback, optimizing engagement strategies, or addressing logistical concerns, the iterative nature of event evaluation ensures that each subsequent event is a more enriching experience for the guests. Enhanced engagement opportunities, fostering meaningful interaction. The guest experience extends beyond the event itself. Event evaluation contributes to the enhancement of future engagement opportunities. Insights gathered from attendee feedback inform the design of interactive sessions, networking events, and participatory elements. This proactive approach ensures that each event provides meaningful interaction opportunities, fostering a sense of connection and engagement among attendees. Continuous improvement, elevating overall event satisfaction. The overarching benefit for attendees lies in the commitment to continuous improvement, driven by event evaluation. As planners actively seek to address pain points, enhance positive aspects, and iterate on each event's shortcomings, the overall satisfaction of attendees experiences an upward trajectory. Attendees become integral contributors to this improvement loop, knowing that their feedback directly shapes the evolution of future events, creating a positive cycle of satisfaction and anticipation. Planning and managing events can be a challenging yet very rewarding process, which can lead to a whole range of positive outcomes for the individuals and organizations who host them and for the venues and locations in which they take place. However, events do not simply just happen. They require careful and considered planning from start to finish. Events require the assembly of teams of people with a range of skills applicable to the type and scale of the event being planned, with clear lines of authority, decision making, and control. Recognizing the event's nature and audience needs is pivotal for effective design and sustained success. Collaborating with stakeholders ensures external support, a critical factor for events to reach their full potential. In addition to the team planning and managing the event, it is also necessary to identify and work with other stakeholders and interested parties to ensure the successful delivery and ongoing sustainability of events. Without this external support, many events will struggle to achieve their potential. From the outset, you must have clear aims and a purpose to your event, and ideally quantify these into more specific objectives, which will facilitate later performance monitoring and evaluation. You must also be clear of what the event is and who it is for. Understanding your target audience and other stakeholders' needs is critical to effective event design and long-term success, which can only be achieved through building events around all their needs.